Good evening to all. I am Subramaniam, working as Assistant Professor in Automobile Department at SNS College of Technology. Now we are saying about the traffic management techniques in the subject of the road safety and traffic rules. In this topic of the traffic management techniques, here we are going to see about the road measures. So road measures and designs. So in this presentation, we will see about the key strategies of the enhance safety and improve the urban reliability. Also, we see about the diverse measures from the turning restrictions to the tidal flow systems also. So on this, in the roads, we mainly will be having the turnings. So purpose of the having the turning is to restrict the turning movements, such that to main purpose to prevent the delays and also reduce the collisions also. So no left or right turn signs must be there, and U-turn bans must be implemented there. So on this turnings, you can see limited turnings and by intersection and busy intersection will be having the streamline of traffic flow, and which will be having minimizing of the conflict points. So mainly see about next one, see about the on the one-way street system. So mostly if you have a one-way street systems, it will be as an optimized flow so that it will reduce the head-on the conflicts, as well as the on-way through the vehicles will be on the move itself there. Instance, if there is a two ways means opposite vehicle will come on the overtaking itself, such that it will be passing to the other lane. So on this one-way traffic, we must have increased capacity also, which allows the wider of the lanes also. And here reduce the access will be reduced. And also we see about the main advantage of the one-way systems is will be a smoother traffic flow and also increase the vehicle speeds. There will be streamline flow of the traffic and reduce the intersection complexity. So better parking utilization will be used there. But although there is an advantage, there will be some disadvantages also be there. So longer travel distance is not possible in the one way. Also confusion for the unfamiliar drivers. So they have to take a long trip to come across the other way itself. To the next, if we have crossed the one way of the, if we cross the destination point, then they have to take a long route to turn back for the U-turn and come to the similar point for the destination points also. And it also impacts on the local business also. Whereas in some areas there will be some increased pollution in some areas will be there. So this one-way traffic systems will be having some disadvantages. There will be many advantages will be there. And we say tidal flow itself. Instead of having a one-way traffic, instead of having a one-way process itself, we will be having tidal flow. There will be reversible lanes will be there, so that we will be giving the adjustable flow direction also. And some peak hours we can able to optimize the rush hours capacity also. And efficient space use must be used, so that maximize the existing infrastructure itself. We must use the space itself. So here you can see the there's a 4 lane is there, which will be on the one-way traffic is there, and the tidal flow operations utilizes reversible lanes also to adapt the varying traffic demands as well during the peak hours, effectively using the existing road space to alleviate the congestion and the primary directions also. And in the real world applications, we see in the Washington or the Seattle or Sydney, the major metropolitan like areas, they will be having their tidal flow, and also you can have the flows of the bridges in such a way conditions. Next we see about the exclusive bus lanes also. So here we can see about the lanes will be divided into 4 categories. That is, one is for the speeds of bus travels, then which will be avoiding the bus travels and avoiding the general traffics, as well as the encouraging the riderships also. So here in the lanes also they will be separated in such a way, so buses will be, heavy vehicles traveling in a single lane and light vehicles in the other lane, whereas the light motor vehicles will be in the third lane will be there. And you can see the integrated traffic management for smarter cities. So it's a holistic approach on the urban design, data driven decision also will be given, and it will be having continuous monitoring such that we can adjust the measures of the optical impact. In this we see about the traffic management measures, about the road measures on the design of the roads, road traffic, design of the roads itself. Okay, thank you for watching this session. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you very much.